Hello children, today we are doing the exercises of lesson 2 computer languages. Exercises. First, tick the correct answer. The set of instructions given to a computer to perform a task. First, computer language. Second, program. Yeah. Third, mnemonic codes. Which is the correct answer? Program. Tick here. B. A language directly understood by computer is machine language, HLL, assembly language. That is machine language. Tick here. C. The language that uses letters and symbols is machine language, HLL, assembly language. That is assembly language. Tick here. D. The machine independent language is machine language, HLL, yeah, assembly language. That is HLL. Tick here. E. The HLL used to draw different shapes and figures is basic, logo या COBOL. That is logo. Tick here. See the answers. Two. Write T for true and F for false statements. A. The people who write computer programs are called users. That is false. F. B. Machine language uses binary digits 0 and 1. Yes, that is true. T. C. An assembly language does not need a translator to be understood by the computer. What is here? Sorry, here no. That is false. C is false. Now D. High level languages is machine dependent. False. F. E. Symbols used in assembly language are known as HLL. This is false. F. See the answers. Three. Fill in the blanks. A. The process of writing instructions for a computer is called dash. It is called programming. Programming. B. Dash language is also known as the low level language. Assembly language. Here assembly language. C. Dash converts the assembly language program into machine language. Assembler. Assembler converts the assembly language program into machine language. D. Dash and dash are the programs used to translate HLLs into machine language. Compiler and interpreter. Compiler and interpreter are the programs used to translate HLL into machine language. Now, 4. Answer the following questions. A. What is a program? Answer. A program is a set of instructions given to a computer to get a particular task done. B. Define computer language. Answer. A computer language is a special language understood by the computers. It consists of words, symbols and codes that is used to write a computer program. Now see, write a short note on first machine language. A machine language is also called first generation language. It is a language directly understood by a computer without any translation. 2. High level language. This language has instructions which are similar to English language used by us. It is much easier to understand and write a program in this language. Now D. Define the following. First, assembler. An assembler is a program used to translate assembly language into machine language so that the computer can understand it. 2. Compiler. Compiler is a language processor. It converts the entire HLL program into machine language at once and also displays errors for the whole program together. 3. Interpreter. Interpreter also converts HLL into machine language. It converts one line of program at a time. It displays the errors one line at a time and goes to the next line only after correction of the errors. Now, next is E. Write the full form of the following terms. First, basic. Beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code. 2. Logo. Language of graphics oriented. 3. COBOL. Common business oriented language. 4. Fortran. Formula translation. This is the full form of the following terms. Now, this is all for today. If you like my videos, like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.